Well, my pre-order came through finally, and now I'm the owner of an TE2 PlayStation 4 stick. Figure I'd just give it a look over for anyone interested. I guess has been keeping these kind of limited production, so. But anyway, sticking the buttons how they feel like you'd expect. It has a new feature in that you can pop the hood. They have quick disconnects in there, easy access to the stick, places to hold Jolly Ranchers, I'm not sure. Their new custom cable that you screw in the back. You got the lock button. PS4 and PS3 switch. Player indicators. Start and select buttons on the back. The proprietary connection. And two little loops. So I guess you can wear it as a necklace if you're so inclined. It does have a nice foam pad, so probably be a bit more comfortable to use than the Soul Calibers that I have been using. Oops, there it goes. Anyway, that is the Street Fighter 4 Ultra PlayStation 4 stick, for what it's worth.